The Hiseeu Solar Wireless Security Camera System, a robust and versatile home surveillance solution, offers an impressive array of features to ensure your home's safety. With its 10-channel HD 4K NVR, this system supports up to 10 cameras, providing comprehensive coverage for your property. The package includes 4 4MP bullet cameras, each equipped with a 5000 to 100 mAh rechargeable battery powered by a solar panel, eliminating the hassle of frequent recharging. Its wireless connectivity, enhanced by built-in 5 dBi antennas, guarantees a stable and reliable connection, allowing you to place the cameras virtually anywhere. Installing the Hiseeu Solar Wireless Security Camera System is a breeze. The cameras come pre-matched with the NVR box, making the setup process straightforward. Simply plug the NVR into a power socket and connect it to your TV via an HDMI cable. For remote access, download the Hiseeu Cloud app, scan the QR code on the NVR box, and you're all set. This system features 4MP HD resolution with a 160 wide-angle view, providing crystal clear images and full-color night vision when there's enough ambient light. The floodlights further enhance nighttime visibility, ensuring you never miss a detail. One of the standout features of this system, its smart peer motion detection. The cameras are designed to detect mammals or anything with a temperature above 86 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively reducing false alarms caused by insects, branches, or other non-threatening movements. When motion is detected, the cameras automatically record the event and send notifications to your phone, keeping you informed in real time. Additionally, the system supports two-way audio, allowing you to communicate directly through the cameras, which is perfect for deterring intruders or simply greeting visitors. The Hiseeu Solar Wireless Security Camera System comes with a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive, capable of storing up to 3 months of footage with its advanced H.265+ video compression technology. This ensures efficient storage without compromising video quality. The system is also compatible with Alexa, enabling voice control for added convenience. Its IP66 waterproof rating means the cameras can withstand harsh weather conditions, making them ideal for outdoor use. With its user-friendly setup, smart detection capabilities, and reliable performance, this security system is a top choice for protecting your home.